Will clearing cache and data help to fix any issues I am experiencing on Google Play Store?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue, troubles with the Google Play Store. Specifically, we'll discuss whether clearing cache and data can help resolve any issues you might be experiencing. Let's dive in.
What is cache and data?
Before we talk about solutions, it's important to understand what we mean by cache and data. The cache is a storage area where frequently accessed data can be stored for quick access. Meanwhile, the data refers to all information that an app stores regarding your use of it, including your preferences, profiles, and saved states.
How can clearing cache and data help?
Clearing cache and data is like a fresh start for your app. If there's any corrupted or outdated information causing issues, this process wipes it clean. So yes, clearing the cache and data can help to fix issues with the Google Play Store. It is particularly useful when the app is crashing, not opening, or behaving erratically.
How to clear cache and data for Google Play Store?
Let's walk you through the steps. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Scroll down to find Apps and Notifications, then tap on it. 3. Find Google Play Store in the list of apps and tap on it. 4. Now, tap on Storage and Cache. 5. Finally, you will see two options, Clear Storage and Clear Cache. Tap both of these options. Remember, clearing data will also delete any settings or preferences within the app. So use this option when clearing the cache alone doesn't solve your problem. That's it. We hope this information helps you troubleshoot any issues you're experiencing with the Google Play Store. Remember, clearing cache and data can be an effective solution, but it should be done carefully, especially when dealing with data. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.